What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today because we took a huge nosedive here in Dogecoin, like straight down, literally, and it went like this with every single crypto, not just Dogecoin. As you can see, every single crypto is pretty much down. Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, and by Binance Coin. So yeah, a lot of things just now took a little dive in the market here, just a little bit of a sell-off. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, if you do like the video, though, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out with immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link. It'll be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to start doing live streams, so I need some equipment to buy there, so it'll be greatly appreciated. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Very helpful for instances like this. It pretty much told us exactly when we're about to have this downtrend right before it happened, right before we dropped from 26 cents all the way down here to 23 cents. And you could have saved yourself from some trouble there and then bought right back in right when it said the uptrend here. So that would have helped out a lot. But anyways, let's go over Dogecoin here, because look at what we just now did here with Dogecoin. We were projected to rise here in Dogecoin. Everyone predicted a rise. You know, the analysts, everyone was predicting that we rose. Even I was like, yeah, we're definitely going to rise here. But the unexpected happened. And like I say this in all my videos, if the whole broader crypto market goes down and takes a whole dive downwards, then Dogecoin will as well. So like Bitcoin goes down, then Ethereum goes down. Ethereum goes down and Cardano goes down. And then eventually Dogecoin will follow all of those, things going down. But the one thing that did not go down is Shiba Inu. This is crazy right here. I'm going to go over Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu is at all-time highs again. And it's just crazy looking at this. And I mean, this is just crazy, the gains that Sheep's doing. Like, anyways, let's go over the good stuff that we have going on inside Dogecoin, though. I'm going to go over Shiba Inu in another video, though. So over here, we have the bears ruling Dogecoin for the 24-hour market control by 60%. All because of last night and what has actually happened, leading into this day. So lots of red going on into this day. As you can see here, it definitely looks like we're trying to trend back downwards towards the supply and demand. And like I said, these green areas are supply and demand areas, showing that we have more demand for Dogecoin, more demand for any crypto really. And then the red areas are our areas showing that we have less demand. So the second we hit the red areas, we tend to take a dip. And that's exactly what happened here. We took a dip at the red areas, and then at the green areas we started to rise a little bit. But anyways, this huge sell-off with Dogecoin was due to a lot of whales. But the whales, they're really manipulating this. Like, they're really pushing this into their favor. I mentioned this in my previous videos that whales were really manipulating Sheep, Doge, all the markets really. And you can see that, like, whales coming in, coming out. Like, once it sells off, the whales come back and buy in with huge money, like 1.3 or $1.1 billion right here of a purchase here. That's 1.1 billion. And you got this Dogecoin whale over here. They came in with $101.4 million, and then they left with 101.8 million. So they made 400K just in a matter of 2 hours, just because of the manipulation that's happening here with Dogecoin. I mean, this whale's doing the same thing. Like, this whale came in, they came out. They came in with $60.1 million. They came out with $65.1 million all today within 5 hours. Look over here. This all happened today, and they're manipulating the price. So $5 million, literally, this is like the money that you're putting in. These whales are manipulating it and taking it out, and pretty much, taking your money. This is what these whales are doing. I mean, and then you got whales that have been in long term that only put in about 100K and then just left that 100K in long term and turned it to $36 million, like this whale. So now all the whales are doing it. So I can't put all the whales down because, this whale came in 150, possibly 200K here. And then they just waited years. They waited literally 6 years, or actually 7 years now. Now it's 2021 and almost 2022. So it's almost 8 years that Dogecoin waited and turned their 150 to 200K into $36.9 million. I mean, that's the possibilities here with Dogecoin and all these other coins when you hold long term. But then you got these whales that keep on day trading and like manipulating the prices here. This whale, 31.7 million, came in earlier today and then left about 60 minutes, which is an hour, pretty much an hour later, left with 31.8 million, made about $150,000 in about an hour. And it's just the same thing with all these whales. So I want to get off these whales here, because I know the whales are making money. You know, they're always going to be doing that. They're always going to be manipulating the prices. But I really want to go over some other stuff that we have with Dogecoin over here, and that is our price prediction here. So we're still expected to explode 50% per the FX Street analysts. So, anyways, Dogecoin price will explode 50% as Shiba Inu profits head to Doge. So I definitely think some profits are probably going to head out of Shiba Inu and the Doge. I mean, look at what Shiba Inu is doing. $21.8 billion inside of the last 24 hours. And they're at 32.4 billion. They're about to pass us in market cap here. This is pretty huge. This is pretty significant. Let's be completely honest. This is no one expected this at all. No one expected Shiba Inu to do this. I mean, if you watch my videos and you watch them constantly, then you definitely expected it and you definitely predicted it, because I've been predicting this for a while. I knew Shiba Inu was going to keep blasting off. I actually made the prediction yesterday saying we're about to go to the 7-1 area. We're almost there at 67, 69. So, you know, Shiba Inu is doing fairly well. Like, it's really gonna continue to explode. But eventually people are gonna start taking profits out. I'm gonna be completely honest with you all. I'm still bullish on Shiba Inu, but we got to look at the reality of things. People are gonna start taking out their profits once their profits start to get exponential. And it's just what happens when the whales see that they're making a lot of money. They always have to come back and take some of that money out, because that's what the whales do. They do day trades and swing trades. Whales, they typically don't hold long term unless they're long term holders, and most of them don't do it like that. Most of them come in, they come out. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin price is traversing a rising wedge formation, suggesting a short-term correction on the horizon. And that's pretty much what we're seeing here. We're seeing that short-term correction that they're talking about here. A breakdown of the lower trend line is likely to result in a retest of the 23.5 support. And we've already actually retested that, and they predicted that. So shout out to FX Street for this. Now over here, you can see a bounce from this barrier will likely propel Doge by 50% to the range of the high at 35.2. So this is really helping us build up momentum. And as you can see here, we actually just now passed one of our previous Fibonacci retracement levels. And now we're actually, you know, we just now briefly dipped below it, but it looks like we're bottoming out here. As you can see here, these red candling sticks, they're actually bottoming out here. And if you see, there's a very, very dim green area right here. It's very dim. You can't really see it with the Fibonacci retracements, but if I take them out, you can see there's a very, very dim green area here, showing that we actually have demand here, because that's our supply and demand. Remember that. So there's huge demand for Dogecoin at 23 cents, and there's some demand here as well at 24 cents. And it shows that even when we sold out here, all of this selling, this was all oversold. Over here, you can see with the oscillator, it was all oversold. It slowly but surely happened. You can see a little bit of a overselling here, and then it, you know, increased a little bit to here, and then it increased a little bit here to more overselling. Now, the fact is, every time we oversell, we always get combated with overbuy orders. So people bought back in, and which those were the whales that I was showing. Those whales overbought back in, and they just started dumping their money back into Dogecoin because they seen a huge buying opportunity. And this is about to build the momentum that we need to bring us up to 35 cents, which is pretty much what they're saying here. Anyways, as you can see here, therefore, investors need to be aware of a short-term pullback for Doge, which eventually results in a 50% climb. So we need to pull back here in Dogecoin in order to climb by 50%. That's pretty much what they're saying here. So Dogecoin price prepares for massive uptrend after our pullback. So Dogecoin price created 3 higher lows and 2 higher highs as it rallied 44% from September 29th. Now, connecting trend lines with these twin points reveals the formation of a rising wedge. This technical formation forecasts a 19% descent, or 19% descent, that's a tongue twister right there, to 20 cents, obtained by adding the distance between the first swing and swing low, first swing high and swing low, adding the breakout point to about 25.6. So, however, investors can expect Dogecoin price to stabilize around 23.6, which is exactly what you've seen here. It stabilized right there around 23.6. So over here, we have some more stuff. The profits from the meme coin investors are eventually going to cycle to other dog-themed cryptocurrencies, out of which Dogecoin is a strong contender. Therefore, a potential spike in buying pressure around this barrier will likely trigger an uptrend for Dogecoin, because a lot of these other meme coins are going crazy. So Dogecoin is probably going to be the next to go crazy. So if this run up manages to climb past the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 27.3, it will confirm the start of a bull rally. In such a case, Dogecoin price will retest the 30 cents barrier, followed by the range high at 35.2. So there's pretty big movements that are about to go here from 23 cents to 35 cents will constitute a 50% move. Here is the move that they're actually talking about here, and they're looking at it. They're like, look, we're really bullish right here. As you can see, from September all the way up here to October, we're going inside the same pattern, and we're really projected to break out of here. And it's actually very true. Actually, I'm looking at it, I'm like, we definitely have some potential. Now, if the whole broader crypto market continues to sell off, what we could possibly see is what they're predicting here. That could also happen, a drop down to 20 cents if we continue to sell off inside the crypto market. So as I showed previously, Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, all that good stuff down. And I'm not really worried about that. I bought some Ethereum last night, like right before everything crashed. And, it doesn't really matter. And then I also bought some more baby Doge coins, and I bought some more other Doge coins. And then I bought some, other meme coins. I like to invest in meme coins. Let's just say that. I got some inside my Ledger wallet. I'm also going to be making a video how to get, your coins into Ledger wallet if you all are interested in that. I know my Dogecoin fans or my baby Dogecoin fans are interested in that because I just now got baby Doge in there, and it's actually pretty difficult. But after I did it, it became very easy, which is like everything in crypto. When you first start it, it's difficult, and then after a while, it just becomes easy and seamless. So anyways, let's keep going over what we have here with Dogecoin. While things are looking dull for the meme coin, a breakdown of 23.6 will indicate weakness among buyers. So that it could go down and invalidate the bullish thesis and go to 22 cents and eventually 20 cents or 19 cents. And look, FX Street, they always give us the real. They always let us know both scenarios that could happen. We could either have the bullish scenario, and then we can, retrace to 23 cents like we just now did, and then build up that momentum to rise up 50% all the way up to 35 cents. Or we could do the other one, which is our bearish scenario, which is if the whole overall crypto market continues to go down, then Dogecoin will inevitably go down with it, eventually leading to 23 cents where we're at now, then the 22 and then 20 cents, and then to 19 cents from there. And that's the realistic point of view. You got to look at it realistically. It's just how things are inside of crypto. Whenever you have one thing that's going crazy, everything else tends to go crazy, except, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu right now is just a unicorn right now. That's pretty much what it is. And there's a lot of hype for Shiba Inu. Just like when Dogecoin was going crazy, and there's a lot of hype for Doge, the same thing's happening for Shiba Inu right now, which is exactly why I know the whales are going to dump Shiba Inu after it gets to a certain point, because they have a certain milestone for Shiba Inu, and they did the same thing for Doge. Like they'll most likely dump it, making the price drop at least 50%, down to the 3 area, the 3-4 area. That's actually our support, and we've actually confirmed that in our previous video that if we go down 3-4 will be the support for Shiba Inu 0.00034, and that'll be the support. But that will help build up the momentum to rise above the next level with Shiba Inu, just like how Doge Day 420 brought us a huge level with Dogecoin, and then we dropped about 50%. And then after that, we had Saturday Night Live, which then brought us another new high. That's exactly what will happen with Shiba Inu. And then, the next new high will probably be 0.001. And then, yeah, eventually it's going to get to 0.1, 1 cent pretty much, and so on. So, yeah. Robinhood is banking on Dogecoin traders as dog-themed altcoins break out. This is exactly why Robinhood will probably add Shiba Inu anyways. So while DeFi tokens are suffering a drop in prices, dog-themed cryptocurrencies Shiba, Doge, and Akita have made a comeback. And yeah, everyone that was hating on my channel previously saying, why do you keep talking about these meme coins? Why do you keep talking about these dog coins? This is why. Because when the overall market goes down, they tend to go up. Now, Dogecoin's going down right now, but Baby Doge, I'm up a lot on Baby Doge. Shiba Inu is up a lot. Akita's up a lot. Saitama is up huge. And these are all the coins that I'm huge on and that I absolutely love. And I have other stuff, I have Cardano, and there's actually a new coin called Out of Cash, Cardano Cash or Out of Cash. I don't want to tell you all to buy that because it's fairly new and it just now got listed on the CoinGecko, but I'm really big on finding very new altcoins. And I usually don't tell you all about the very new altcoins that I get in on because I don't want my subscribers to get in on something that I'm getting in on just because I'm getting in on it, because I'm taking a risk here. I take big risks every single day. I just throw a quick $100 in this Cardano Cash thing, hope that it, breaks out. But if you want to look it up, you can. I'm going to see what happens within the next month. And if I like what I see, I'll let you all know about all the plays that I made. I made a lot of huge plays last night and this morning. So I'm going to let you know about everything that I invested in within a month. if it pans out and if I think it's worth it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I gotta say that because the SEC is coming after people for making videos like this, just trying to give good information to people out there because they think that we're telling you all to buy it. But like I said, I'm not telling anyone to buy Dogecoin, not telling anyone to buy Shiba Inu, not telling anyone to buy Cardano Cash, not telling anyone to buy any of these coins that I'm buying. I'm just saying there's potential here, and I personally believe there's potential. So anyways, over here, while DeFi tokens are suffering, all these Doge themed tokens are rising. Historically, a meme coin rally is an indication of an overheated market, signaling upcoming deleveraging. So Dogecoin alone drove higher revenue than all stocks, including options in Q2 2021 on zero commission exchange Robinhood. Shiba Inu has surged to record highs as Robinhood rumors are gathering around. In a petition to list SHIB, over 300K people signed it. So anyways, they're predicting that there's probably going to be a crash in the market because when we see these meme coins just skyrocketing, usually we're followed by a crash in the market. And I pretty much showed you that. Like Bitcoin's going down, Ethereum's going down, everything's pretty much going down. And when all those things go down, people deleverage their leverage over there. They deleverage their assets over there in those Bitcoins, Ethereums, Cardanos of the cryptocurrency world. And then they take that money and they put it into the meme coins and they make the meme coins pump. And then when they pump the meme coins, they dump them right after, only after reaching a certain point on those meme coins. They end up dumping them and then throwing it back into, the actual cryptos that are having actual utilities. Like, in Baby Doge has utilities, Dogecoin has some utilities that they're working on. But anyways, I'm just saying, like, they take all this stuff and they put it into stuff like Bitcoin after they've, dumped the previous meme coins that they previously pumped. So it's just a cycle. Whenever I see these cycles happening, I'm like, okay, what do I do next? What did I do next? I bought Ethereum last night. What else am I doing to help against this? I'm probably going to buy some Bitcoin. And I bought some Cardano. And then, yeah, because I know when they dump these meme coins, they're going to go straight into these other coins, these actual, utility coins. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing here. And I'm also investing inside of more, Baby Doge and stuff like that because I see that right now they're going up huge. But I'm long term on Baby Doge. If you watch my Baby Dogecoin videos, shout out to y'all. But definitely keep watching them because I'm really big on Baby Dogecoin. And I think other people should be too if you have, that risk tolerance. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of financial advice. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to go over all the stuff that I'm invested in and what I'm doing to, combat this drop in the market of like Bitcoin, Ethereums and stuff, and then the rise in meme coins. But anyways, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And for like the 100th time, I'm not a financial advisor, and that is financial advice. I see people asking me for some financial advice in the comments all the time, like how much should I put in? And I can't tell you how much you should put in because I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this financial advice. But anyways, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you want to donate to the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.